In this video, I'll explain why, despite the initial impression that his projections have already been refuted by the company's dismal performance in 2022, well-known YouTuber Meet Kevin's positive forecast about Tesla stock will come true. As you may remember, in the summer of last year, after weeks of news coverage of the company's attempts to boost its market value, Tesla announced a 3-for-1 stock split in an attempt to improve investor access to the company's shares. If you recall, business reports at the time on EVs were alarming and meant to sound something like this. In light of the split, experts and investors set alarming price estimates for Tesla. Meet Kevin, a professional YouTuber, serial investor, and ardent supporter of Tesla, was one such expert who offered an explanation for why he thought the company will perform spectacularly after the split. As we may have probably surmised, Kevin's forecasts haven't come true thus far. The previous few months have been disastrous for the venerable EV manufacturer Tesla, with shares down 69% year over year. However, there's still reason to believe that Kevin's sanguine predictions on the Tesla stock split will materialize. First things first, though, be sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons as well as turning on the alerts if you like the video and want to stay updated on new releases. Like myself, the analysts responded when Tesla announced a 3-for-1 stock split earlier in the day, hoping that this would restore the stock's market value. After the split, Kevin was hoping for an improvement in the stock's performance. American financial expert Kevin, who is passionate about investing, believes that Tesla's proposed 3-for-1 stock split might benefit both the company and investors. After stock splits in the U.S., companies typically outperform the S&P 500, an index that tracks 500 publicly traded companies. 3 new shares were awarded for each share that you already owned in Tesla's 3-for-1 stock split. Still, the split had no impact on the value of your stock holdings. When a company's stock price increases to the point where the average investor can no longer afford to buy, this is a typical response. A share of Tesla stock was worth about $714 at the time of the split, with a price of about $238 on the split. Today, the stock became more accessible to investors as a result of the split. According to Tesla, there has been a lot of interest from private investors in purchasing the company's shares. Therefore, a stock split would have been the most effective strategy to draw in new investors. At the time, Kevin thought the stock split was a good idea because Tesla's earnings predictions are more realistic than those of other tech businesses. As he stated when talking about the split, Kevin, like most Tesla bulls, regarded the stock split as a chance to buy more Tesla shares. Despite what we have seen recently, Kevin's prognosis may begin to make sense if the price of Tesla shares rises, as this will increase the amount of money that the company's stockholders receive. Additionally, during the cyber rodeo around the time of the split, Kevin explained why he thought Tesla's market value would exceed $10 trillion in the next 10 years. Tesla is the firm to purchase and invest in when it comes to robots. Kevin predicts that during the next 2 years, Tesla would declare the opening of 5 to 10 more gigafactories, using the company's pace manufacturing as justification. Tesla is focusing more on artificial intelligence and is making producing cars less of a priority. The company's new aspirations to enter the artificial intelligence area are impressive, to put it lightly. Despite the difficulties the firm is now facing, Kevin thinks Tesla has potential for its supply chain. China and other nations are steadily becoming more and more interested in Tesla's electric vehicles, so whatever challenges the business is now encountering might only need to be transitory. Kevin believes that Tesla's robotic humanoid might be a game changer for the company since it addresses the main concern surrounding its project, which is the possibility that humanity would eventually be replaced by robots. Tesla's Optimus will increase productivity and enable the pursuit of more lucrative commercial opportunities. Learn that Kevin is optimistic about Tesla's future prospects and shares, offering his bullish assessment of the company. Fortunately, a lot of stock analysts agree with him. Following the June stock split announcement, TNN Money reported that 12 out of 45 financial analysts under observation classified Tesla shares as a good buy, with an average price objective of $1,000. Analysts have a positive opinion of Tesla 12 of. Some of them have suggested investing in the stock and holding it for the long term. I see no reason why not. Although the company has performed recently, its fundamentals are still flawless. Demand exists, the business continues to meet it, and the public's perception of electric vehicles continues to change. For some time now, Tesla has been discussing the ideas behind their Cybertruck and robotaxi. Not only are the public's eyes focused on Tesla's more recent car models, but these advancements in the EV sector may also offer Tesla a competitive edge over its competitors. The business sold more than 167,572 Model 3s in 2022, ranking among the top manufacturers in terms of sales. Due to its rapid growth and several tactics to raise its market worth, Tesla could see a significant boost in its stock price in the future. Setting a high price target for Tesla stock may not be the best course of action because the company hasn't been immune to market difficulties in recent months. A number of factors have kept the stock from plunging through the roof. Hearing that Kevin tweets an agreement is encouraging. The financial analysis indicates that the stock market is expensive. Consequently, the estimate of $3,000 per share following the split in 2024 might be a bit optimistic. Let's also take into account the thoughts of other analysts. According to Brian Johnson's analysis, a decrease in Shanghai output from 315,000 to 251,000 may have contributed to Tesla's first quarter production and profitability falling short of projections. Recently, the global British bank Barclays raised its target price for Tesla to $370 per share. For their respective stocks, RBC Capital and UBS have set target prices of $1,100. The two new gigafactories for Tesla are producing more, which is the cause of the large order backlog. Patrick Kummel listed three key reasons for Tesla's pricing target: higher prices, process innovation, and the EV company's enhanced supply chain, which provides it an advantage over rival electric car makers. These factors all contributed to Tesla's improved margins. Tesla's software and semiconductor battery development would propel growth and profitability. For the foreseeable future, American YouTuber Kevin is confident that Tesla will continuously beat its competitors. His most recent tweet indicates that he possesses over 50 Tesla shares. The performance of the company as a whole will matter most, even if Tesla's stock price increases following the split. Fortunately, this is not the first time Tesla has divided its shares. On August 31st, 2020, it did the same thing in response to the company's announcement of a 5-for-1 split, which raised the price of the shares in a comparable range. The 24-1 stock split that Amazon just carried out was well received by investors. This is not guaranteed that the price of Tesla's shares would increase after the split. In fact, as we all know, it has not. However, it can offer us a hint as to what might occur in 2 or 3 years. It is a good idea to follow Kevin's suggestion and diversify your investments over other markets if you want to avoid losing your entire investment account. The split might have had an impact on investors' choices to buy Tesla stock. However, it remains uncertain if the stock price will increase or decrease during the next 6 to 12 months. Do you see Tesla in the same positive light as Kevin? Or do you see things slightly differently? Please share your opinions by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We are grateful that you saw it, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Uncertain if the stock price will increase or decrease during the next 6 to 12 months. Do you see Tesla in the same positive light as Kevin, or do you see things slightly differently? Please share your opinions by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We are grateful that you saw it, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye.